Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate your time and your attention. I also wanted to let you know that I have a few openings in my studio and I'll be happy to take on a couple of new students. So if you're in the market for violin lessons and you think that online lesson format is going to work well for you in the comfort of your home, let's talk. There's a link down below where you can go to my website and fill out the contact form, and I'll be more than happy to reply back and let you know my availability and when we can get started. Thank you for your time.